Welcome back to Mud and Mend. I'm actually back in the car making this video again. You may have seen me upload this video about the Bluetooth device and I had to take it down due to copyright. So I've jumped back in the car and I'm going to remake it. This is the UGREEN Bluetooth adapter. It plugs into the auxiliary in the car and it gives you Bluetooth music through the original head unit. I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you how it all works. So as I was saying, that's the adapter right there. You can charge it on the end there with a USB-C. Hopefully you can see that. It's plugged in down there, right here. So that's plugged in. Normally, I just drop it into the little cubby hole down there. I am sorry about the camera angles. So what we'll do, press and hold that button. It should flash red and blue. It's flashing red and blue. It's actually stopped flashing because it's connected to my phone already. So that's the Bluetooth on the phone. You can see there it says connected for calls and audio. It's got 90% battery, but you can obviously plug it inside the car with a 12-volt charger. So we're going to go straight on to some music. Selecting auxiliary. The audio input is no aux from pressing that button. So we are connected up. I'm going to play a song from NCS because you can use their music royalty free. So you can see that is playing through the car. It's very, very clear. I will turn it up now. You do get a lot of people saying it's not clear and it's rubbish, but as you can hear, it's good. There is nothing at all wrong with the sound quality on that. Basically, you can skip and it'll play the next song just like that. So you can skip through them all and that's it. That's how it works. And this just sits out the way. And it's a nice little cheap device. I will put a link in the description for this one that I've used. Maybe some of them are rubbish quality, but this one I've used in this car a lot and I've used it in the HGV at work. And I've had no problems with it. It just plugs in, stays down there. Then I use a cigarette lighter there to charge it if it needs it. So yeah, hopefully that helped you out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.